Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This beautifully constructed house with floor space of approximately 3,340 square feet, is nestled in the hills just above Gordon Town and contains 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, to include a self-contained 1-bedroom apartment, which can be used as an income earner if desired. It also includes a double carport and 2 kitchens, living and dining rooms. The property comprises about 3.25 acres of lush greenery with a stream at one of its boundaries. It is located 15 minutes from Gordon Town and 25 minutes from Pepin, enabling easy access to universities, the University Hospital of the West Indies and major commercial centers. The property is ideal for a family who wants to retreat from the hustle and noise of the city at the end of the workday and weekends, or for persons who treasure being close to nature. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.